Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons not to buy the Seiko 5 GMT. Number 1, it just has a friction fit bezel and it doesn't click. Now, I haven't worn this watch all that much, but I have heard of the bezel moving on at least one other person, so the bezel may move on you. And I use these as a fidget toy, so I like to hear and feel the clicking action. Number 2, it has Hardlex crystal for the dial crystal here, and then also the Hardlex bezel insert as well. And it has the Cyclops here, so maybe that's 2 for 1, but I know a lot of folks don't like the Cyclops, so that could be another reason not to purchase this watch. And Seiko would be really appreciated if Seiko could upgrade the Hardlex to Sapphire on these watches. Reason number 3, it has a stamped clasp. Instead of using a little higher end milled clasp, they're still using a stamped clasp. You can get Zelos watches with an amazing clasp, milled clasp with 2 or less micro adjust, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel insert, and those watches are less than $475. Reason number 4, lack of a screw down crown, and it's only rated to 100 meter water resistance. Push-pull crown. So when you need to go diving, deeper than 100 meters, you can't wear this watch. You need to go to your dedicated dive watch. Reason number 5 is this is a office GMT, and it's not a true GMT. It's not a Traveler'S Gmt. What that means is you cannot move the hour hand independently of the GMT hand, or your local time, I should say. So let's rotate the handset all the way around so we're out of the danger zone. I don't know if that applies or not, but we'll just move it anyway. So first position, hand winding. Second position will be the date and GMT set. So rotating it this way changes the date, and then rotating it the other way will move the GMT hand. It does move in half-hour clicks. So that is nice, but it's not a true office GMT, not a true Traveler'S GMT. I know what the words mean, but I keep getting them mixed up. So anyway, there we go. Oh, and bonus reason number 6, it's not a Seiko Skx, even though it looks like one. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you agree or disagree. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.